Can you restore deleted Locket account? So if you tap on your profile in the top left, you can go to the bottom and here you have delete account. So yeah, like if you delete your account, I guess you might lose your friends. You might also lose your photos, images taken on Locket. So just be careful. But like, can you restore it? For example, on Be Real, even if you delete an account, if you just log back in during, like, for example, 15 days, you automatically restore your account. It is the same thing for Locket widget, so I don't think so. Yeah, like I think I'm not sure actually, so just be super careful. You can always reach out to them on support, get help, and maybe you can just reach out here and just write, this is my user ID, I want to restore my account.